You turn on your cameras, children. So as we have already read this poem, now we are going to do the exercise part. We have done first stanza. Now we are going to do the second stanza. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting. Anything in earnest, sincere and honest conviction. Okay. And sighing is the sound of a deep, loud breath or exhale taken in relief. Whenever we play, we take deep breaths. That is called sighing. And chanting is singing. Whenever we are singing any song or singing any mantras, that is called chanting. Okay. So beauty is heard in the night. We can hear the beauty in the night, in the wind, in the sound of wind. And when the rain falls, we hear the beauty. And when the singer sings a beautiful song, then also we hear the beauty. So what questions we can make here, children? Where can we hear the beauty? Make first question. Where can we hear the beauty? Where can we hear the beauty? Where can we hear the beauty? Question one. Where can we hear the beauty? Where can we hear the beauty? Can anyone give me answer of this question? Where can we hear the beauty? Just raise your hand. Where can we hear the beauty? Yes, check. Answer, beta. Where can we hear the beauty?
Heard in the night, wind singing, wind falling, or a singer chanting.
Very good. Agnesh, give answer, beta. Harsh Bhati, unmute yourself and give answer.
Ma'am, when singer sing a beautiful song, we hear the beauty.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta.
Beauty is heard in the night, wind
Beauty is
singing, rain
wind
falling,
sign. Beauty is
or a
heard.
singer.
Yes, beauty is heard in the night when the
Beauty
sound
is
of
heard
wind.
in the night, sound
Yes,
of wind, rain falling, or a singer chanting.
yes. Ridhima, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak
The
up.
beauty can be here in the night, in rain falling or a singer chanting.
Yes, beauty can be heard in night. Yes, Tanish, you want to answer? Or we can hear the beauty in the night by the sound of wind, by the sound of rain, or by the song, by the chanting of songs of a singer. Or
Ma'am, the
yes,
beauty is heard in the night by the sound of wind sighing and rain falling.
very good. Absolutely right. Now we'll move on to the next question. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. Question 2. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. You can write it in chat, children. Name the poem and its poet. Write in chat. So name of the poem is Beauty and name of the poet is E.A. Sure. Absolutely right. Next question. Give antonyms. Next question. Give antonyms. Give antonyms. Children, you can write down in chat. Night, night, yes, night, day, very good, night, day. The next is honest, dishonest, honest, dishonest, dishonest. Then in, out, yes. Anything, nothing, nothing, or some, anything or something, it's nothing. Okay, now write homophones. Give homophones. Next question. Give homophones. Children, write in a beautiful handwriting, okay? Give homophones. Yes, can you write homophones, children? In. What is the homophone of in? I-N. I-N, as we have already done. Very good. It's I-double-N. Then night. It's K-N-I-G-H-T. K-N-I-G-H-T. Yes. A person is holding any of the knighthood ship. That is called knight. Holding any position. Good position. Herd. H-E-A-R-D. H-E-R-D. It's not hard bitter. It's herd. H-E-R-D. Herd is a group of horses, you can say, a group of cattle, you can say. Yes, absolutely right. Give adjectives. Next question. Question 5th. Give adjectives. Give adjectives. So adjectives here are, yes, fighter in ancient times. Knight was also known as. Yes. Can you give me adjectives? Come on, children. Yes, sincere, honest. Not rain falling is not an adjective over here, beta. Rain falling is a verb. Noun rain and falling is verb over here. Or a singer, again singer is noun and chanting is verb. Give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. Forms of verbs. So we can have here. We can write here. Children, I'm just deleting first and second questions so that it should be visible to you. All the questions. I think now it's visible to you. And you have done 1 and 2 question. All of you have done, children. First and second question. Show me your virtual thumbs. All right. So we have other forms of verbs here. Heard, heard. 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 Here, heard, heard. Chant. Chanted. Chanted. Fall. Fall, fell, fallen. Children, have you done it, beta? fall, fell, fallen. Rain, rained, rained. Done, children? Up to this much we have done. Yes, rain, rained, rained. I think it's visible to everyone. The next, shall I rub this third question, children? If you have done the third question, show me your virtual thumbs. Sorry. Rain, rained, rained. I was rubbing. So children, I think you have done third question. I'm rubbing it. Give other degrees of adjective, like honest. Can you tell me the other Okay, now you are able to see question 6, Pita. Now it's visible to everyone. Question 6. Question 6 is visible to everyone now. Is it visible, children? Show me your virtual thumbs, or you can write in chat. Okay, fine, children. Now we are having next question. Give other degrees of adjective. Give other degrees of adjective. Degrees of adjective. You can write here positive, comparative, and superlative. Children, shall I rub the fourth question if you have done? Can I rub fourth question, children? Okay, fine. So I'm rubbing the fourth one so that you will be able to see. Give other degrees of adjectives. So here, children, you are going to write positive P for positive. Comparative, you write CON, positive. Comparative. Comparative. I'm writing the short forms. Superlative. Superlative. So we are going to write honest. Here is no good is not given beta. So we will not take. We will take sincere. Sincere, more sincere, more sincere. More sincere. More sincere. Same way we will take honest, more honest, most honest, most sincere. Shall I rub the fourth question, children, if you have done? Shall I rub the fourth question if you have done?